How to remove or end a room in Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove or end a room in Facebook. Now, first, if you head over to your Facebook profile and go to the three-line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen and go to your groups. Now, if you go to your groups and open it up, you will find the three-line option on the top left corner screen. Tap on it and here you'll find the option rooms. Now you can always create a room from here and you can create it. Now you can see that my room has been created here. If I go back and go to the three-line option again and go to rooms, here I'll be able to see the room. Now to remove it, tap on it and you'll find the settings option on your screen as you can see here. Now tap on settings and you'll find the option to end the call. Now tap on it, you'll see the notification to confirm your room to end. Now you can see end Bipin's room. Everyone will be removed from the room and its post will be deleted. Now tap on end call and you can see my room has ended and the notification pops up that my room has ended. So this way you can end room in Facebook. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.